Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create group polls on Instagram application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and after that you just need to make sure that you are stay in the home section. Now the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this top right corner. There will be two icons right there, so there will be a left and this button, so you just need to go click this part. Now you just need to open the group chat that you have on Instagram account that you logged in with, and after that you need to take a look on this button features right here. To create a poll, you need to take a look on this below button on the right side, so you just need to go click the third one. And after that, in the first options there will be a poll symbols here, so you just need to go click them, and you just need to add the questions for your poll. So let's say here launch options, and then you just need to add the options here, so or anything that you want to add. And after that you just need to go click this create poll, and you just need to wait until your friends give you the response of the poll that you have been created. So that is the way how to create a group poll on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I will see you in the next video.